In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and set up Cyberghost VPN on your iPhone. VPNs are essential tools in maintaining privacy and security while browsing the internet, and Cyberghost is known for its reliable and user-friendly services. So, let's dive in and get started right away. First, you'll want to visit the Cyberghost VPN website. Open your favorite web browser on your iPhone and type in the Cyberghost VPN URL. This will take you to their homepage, where you can access all the features and services they offer. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the upper right corner of the page. You'll see a My Account button there. Go ahead and tap on it. This is where all your account settings and downloads can be managed. Next, you need to log in to your existing Cyberghost account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to create an account first. For those of you with accounts, simply tap on the Login button, enter your credentials, your username and password, and hit the Login button to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Cyberghost homepage, which gives you an overview of your account and the services available to you. From the homepage, navigate to the Download Hub. This is where you can access all versions of the Cyberghost application. Look for a link or button that says Download Hub and tap on it. Once you're there, you're going to want to locate the section specifically for mobile applications. These are optimized for devices like your iPhone and will ensure the best performance of your VPN service. After entering the mobile app section, the next step is to specify that you're downloading the application for an iOS device. So, find the option that points to iOS and give it a tap. This will ensure that you download the correct version of the app for your iPhone. And there you have it. Just a few short steps, and you're ready to download and install Cyberghost VPN onto your iPhone. Don't forget that having a VPN helps keep your online activities private and secure, an essential step in protecting your personal information. Thank you for watching this guide on how to set up Cyberghost VPN on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step guides and tech tips. Happy browsing!